The past tense is used to describe actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past. It indicates that an action has already been completed. भूतकाल का उपयोग अतीत में किसी विशिष्ट समय पर हुई क्रियाओं या घटनाओं का वर्णन करने के लिए किया जाता है। यह इंगित करता है कि कोई क्रिया पहले ही पूरी हो चुकी है। There are four main types of past tense: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. First is simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to describe actions that happened and were completed at a specific time in the past. The time may or may not be mentioned. Formation. Regular verbs in the past tense end in ed. Irregular verbs have different past forms. For example, go becomes went. Examples. I walked to the store yesterday. Regular verb, मैं कल दुकान तक पैदल गया. She ate lunch an hour ago. Irregular verb, उसने 1 घंटा पहले दोपहर का खाना खाया था. We visited the museum last weekend. हमने पिछले सप्ताह के अंत में संग्रहालय का दौरा किया. Second is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were in progress at a specific moment in the past or to describe two actions happening at the same time. भूतकाल काल का प्रयोग अतीत में किसी विशिष्ट क्षण पर चल रही क्रियाओं का वर्णन करने के लिए या एक ही समय में होने वाली दो क्रियाओं का वर्णन करने के लिए किया जाता है. Formation was verb plus present participle, verb plus ing. Examples. I was walking to the store when it started raining. मैं दुकान की ओर जा रहा था तभी बारिश शुरू हो गई. She was studying all evening. वो सारी शाम पढ़ाई करती रही. They were watching TV while I was cooking dinner. जब मैं खाना बना रही थी तब वे टीवी देख रहे थे. Third is past perfect tense. The past perfect tense describes an action that was completed before another action or event in the past. Formation. Had plus past participle of the verb. Examples. By the time I arrived, she had left. जब तक मैं पहुंचा, वह जा चुकी थी. They had finished their homework before they went out to play. खेलने के लिए बाहर जाने से पहले उन्होंने अपना गृह कार्य पूरा कर लिया था. I had never seen that movie before last week. मैंने पिछले सप्ताह से पहले वो फिल्म कभी नहीं देखी थी. Fourth is past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that began in the past, continued for some time, and was completed before another action in the past. It emphasizes the duration of the action. Formation had been plus present participle, verb plus ing. Examples. I had been waiting for an hour when the bus finally arrived. मैं 1 घंटे से बस का इंतजार कर रहा था, तभी बस आ गई. She had been studying for 2 hours when her friends called. वो 2 घंटे से पढ़ाई कर रही थी जब उसके दोस्तों का फोन आया. They had been playing football for hours before it started to rain. बारिश शुरू होने से पहले वे घंटों तक फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. Summary of the forms. Simple past. Verb plus ed, regular. Irregular verb. I watched a movie. Past continuous. Was, plus verb plus ing. He was reading a book. Past perfect. Had plus past participle. She had finished dinner. Past perfect continuous. Had been plus verb plus ing. I had been working all day. Key notes. Regular verbs. These verbs follow a predictable pattern. For example, work becomes worked in the past tense. Irregular verbs. These verbs do not follow a regular pattern. For example, go becomes went and eat becomes ate. Negative form. In negative sentences, did not or didn't is used in the simple past. In other past tenses, not is added after the auxiliary verb. Example, simple past negative, I did not go to the store. Example, past continuous negative, she was not studying when I called. Example, past perfect negative, they had not finished the project. Example, past perfect continuous negative, I had not been sleeping for hours. This should cover most details of how the past tense works in English, with examples for clarity.